Dokie. We're here, checked in, ready to go. So excited. It's so excited. Just sitting there waiting. Having fun.
Already having fun.
Yes, it's embarkation day. Ship. We were supposed to be on at 10:30 and it is now 10:49. So we're just sitting here with everybody else. We're excited. We're finally getting on the ship. So excited. So excited. What time is it? 11:30. We're supposed to get on at 10:30. Oh well. Getting on. Oh yeah, it opens out. Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, oh, we gotta put the key card in the door thing so we can turn the lights on. Can I get my key? Oh. Here's the bathroom. This is our room. Our double balcony. Us talking about it. Hey, you guys. We are on the ship. I wonder if they can hear me. I hope they can because I got the microphone right here. Hopefully it's on. Anyways, we're here just relaxing. Just had a wardrobe malfunction. The whole boob was hanging out and Beth had to tell me.
Or tell you 3 times.
Yeah, she said, your boob was out. Your boob was out. And I'm just like bending over doing something. And she's like, Ebony, your boob was out. I'm like, okay. Well, my boob's back in. My hair's a mess. But we're having fun. Oh, wait. Hold on. Oh, well, my drink's on the floor over there. Cheers.
So this is the first one, which is
Yes, it's the first drink, and we're already having boobage.
It's really good. It's only gonna get worse from here.
Oh God, where's my sunglasses? I can't even see. I feel naked without my sunglasses. Okay, So yes, we're here. This is our view. Y'all see it? Hopefully y'all can see it. That's our view. And we're just sitting here enjoying a drink. Miami Vices. Show them your drink. Wait, your hand's covering it. Okay, that's the Miami Vice. Pina colada and a strawberry daiquiri mix. And we're just gonna sit here and enjoy, sail away, maybe, or we might go to the jacuzzi, or we might go somewhere else. So we'll see. All right, peace out.